Good afternoon, everyone. I am Shamil Çetinkaya, and today I'm going to try to answer the questions that are asked in the lab video. So, in the first part, uh, our lab assistant said that we observed that in the oscilloscope and the input current is around 1 amperes. But on the wattmeter, the measured current is 0.9 ampere. Can you explain the discrepancy between two measurements? It is also said that it is not relevant with the calibration. She also gave a hint that it's about RMS values. So I did some research on the internet and I found some information. The oscilloscope and wattmeter measures the values with different techniques. According to the internet, oscilloscope finds the average RMS value by multiplying the V average with 1.1. However, the wattmeter executes the integral of true RMS, which is like 1 over T, 0 to T square T dt. And due to that, the different methods, there is a discrepancy between wattmeter and oscilloscope measurements, I believe. When it comes to the second question, BH curve is observed and the core loss can be calculated from BH curve. And the question is, what is the name of this loss and why do we measure the losses only using the BH curve? The name of the core loss can be hysteresis effect. Also, there are losses due to the eddy currents. However, since the frequency is too low, it can be ignored. When it comes to the BH curve calculation, there are two equations in the lab manual, which are P equals to 1 over T D E T and P equals to F V core B1 B2 HMT DBMT. As it can be seen from the second part, this gives the hysteresis area, and the power loss is proportional with the area, as it can be seen from the equation, and the constant frequency, of course. And due to that formulas, loss power can be calculated by using BH curve. Let me get a new file. And the last and third question was like, for the open circuit test, we have measured the input currents and input voltages for different voltage values. However, for the short circuit test, we measured the voltage and current for only rated current value. What is the difference between these conditions and why didn't we take measurements for different voltage and current values for short circuits? In the open circuit test, we do not ignore the parallel branch. And in the parallel branch, we have RC and XM. Those values, the RC and XM values, depends on the magnetization. However, in the short circuit test, we have R equal and X equal. Since we ignore the parallel branch on the circuit, and we can find the expected and wanted values from one measurement. However, in order to find the expected and wanted values in the first test, which is open circuit, we need to do more than one measurement. And also it can be seen that R equal and X equal does not depend on the magnetization, only one measurement is enough. Therefore, our lab assistant only used the rated values. Thanks for your attention. Have a great day.